Hi, my name is Marcel, and I'm one of the founders of Tusk. We're an AI coding agent that completes annoying tickets that your engineers don't want to work on. So I'm on our Tusk web app, and this is our Tusk organization. So we do use Tusk to build Tusk. As you can see, we have a whole list of issues in this issue table that are merged. And one complaint that we've been getting from our customers is that they wish there was a way to view more information about an issue simply by hovering over and clicking on one of the rows in the table. They want to be able to see this activity log right away, which some people are actually missing right now. So one thing that we had a ticket out for is actually a way to open the activity log when you click on a row in the issues table. So this is a ticket that's fairly simple for Sohul and me to do, but we're too busy working on improving our agent. So we're actually going to assign this to Tusk instead. And it's as simple as clicking one button. So we just need to click the Tusk label to assign the ticket to Tusk. And as you can see, Tusk is now working on the issue, and it might take a few minutes, but let's check out the activity logs in the meantime. Now, Tusk has taken that ticket description and title and has actually processed that as context, and it has a series of tools that it uses to emulate how a human engineer would actually approach an issue like this. So as you can see, it's actually thinking, so we'll give it a bit. Now, as you can see, it's actually done a search for relevant code snippets. So this is more of a semantic search to find relevant files to start looking for context to fulfill this task. I'm going to actually pause here and wait for it to complete the task since it does take a few minutes. Awesome. So Tusk has now completed the run. And as you can see, it actually went through a whole series of steps. After doing the semantic search, it actually found some relevant files. So in this case, the issuestable.tsx file. It's going to go on and also read that file, pull in some observations that are relevant as context. And it's going to go on and on and on until it generates the file, reviews itself, and then creates a pull request. So let's take a look at the pull request right now. Awesome. So we've created the PR title and the body, and we'll take a look at the files changed here. Nice. So as you can see, on click, it's actually navigating to the task ID URL, so we can actually view the slide over. There's also a hover state on the issues table, as you can tell, where it's slightly darker. And it's also even stopping the propagation for the issue options button. So this looks great. And I'm going to go back right now and actually show you what it looks like on our preview environment. So let's take a look. Now, remember previously, we didn't actually have any sort of hover state on the table, and we could not actually click on it to view the activity log. So if I go back now on this new preview environment, there is a hover state. It's slightly darker, it looks great. And if I click on the exact issue we just worked on, as you can tell, it actually opens the activity log. Even better, we can actually click on the issue options button to see the rest of the options available. So that looks great. So what I'm going to do now is actually go in and actually merge this PR because it works out great. And we actually want this in our production environment. So let me squash and merge. I'll confirm that. And voila. Now this PR is merged and we can deploy it and life is good for us. And we hope this excites you about what we're doing here at Tusk. And we look forward to having you hire Tusk as your AI software engineer.